Okay, the two woodpeckers here is the mama and the baby. Hear the baby? Okay, they flew off because I scared them, but they'll be back. They'll be back. Here they're back. See the baby? Hear the baby chatter? Mary, go in the house. You're scaring the birds. That little chatter that you hear, that's the baby. I know for sure it's a baby because the mama's feeding him. And it's a boy because he has red feathers on his head. I wonder where their nest is. Darn dog. They're not afraid of me, but they're afraid of the dog. Red-breasted nuthatch. Oh, how they're little. Oh, 3 woodpeckers. 4 woodpeckers. Oh, 2 babies. Oh, so their nest must be right there. Somewhere there. Yeah, there's 2 babies. And the mama's feeding them. Here's one of the babies right here. Hello there, little guy. Hello there, little baby. Little boy, what's your name, huh? Are you a hairy or a downy woodpecker? We'll have to show Leslie the bird nerd and see if she can tell which species you are. But I know you're a boy because you've got a red head, or a male. Thank you, birdie. So beautiful. Boy. Well, that's my husband, the engine nerd. Where's your mama? There's 2 babies. I think I had 4 woodpeckers here at the tree just a little bit ago. And I think 2 of them, oh, there he goes. Oh, his nest must be there. Here's another woodpecker. I don't know if they're from the same family because I have the hairy and, no, that's sterling.